Hello. In this video, we'll talk about clothes. If you've not subscribed or follow this channel, please subscribe and follow us, okay? Now let's go right into the vocabulary of clothes. Apron, blazer, blouse, bow tie, shirts, cardigan, cargo pants, coats, camisole, dress, denim jacket, evening gown, earmuffs, furry coat, flannel shirt, gloves, gym wears, hoodie, hat, high heels, scarf, jeans, jacket, jumpsuit, joggers, kimono, boots, leggings, t-shirts, mittens, miniskirt, necklace, pants, polo shirt, raincoat, robe, suit, skirt, sneakers, sweatshirt, vest, windbreaker, jersey, bra, sports bra, bikini, corset, nightgown, boxers, pajamas, social shoes, flip-ons, running shoes, hiking boots, flip-flops, sandals. Thank you and see you in the next video. Please subscribe and follow this channel.